Hello and welcome to Grayson Hobby. Today we're taking you to Perry, Georgia for the world's largest indoor radio control swap meet. We're thrilled to share that Grayson Hobby will be attending this event for the 7th year in a row, providing visitors with access to high-quality RC products such as remote control airplanes, transmitters, LiPo batteries, accessories, and expert advice. But that's not all. Grayson Hobby has also generously donated several items for the raffle. The Georgia National Fairgrounds and Agri Center in Perry, Georgia, hosts the world's largest indoor radio control swap meet, which takes place annually over 2 days. The event is the perfect opportunity for RC enthusiasts to buy, sell, and trade radio control equipment and accessories. The swap meet spans several buildings, each with hundreds of tables, and visitors can find anything and everything related to RC, from very old to brand new in the box. Grayson Hobby's tables are located in the Miller Building, where visitors can find a vast selection of RC products, including airplanes, LiPo batteries, nitro fuel, remote controls, receivers, servos, brushless motors, speed controllers, FPV drones, and accessories. Grayson Hobby's booth is always busy, but Basil and Will are always ready to offer expert advice to visitors. But that's not all. Grayson Hobby has generously donated several items for the raffle. Visitors have a chance to win some exciting prizes, including RC products, accessories, and more. So make sure to check out the raffle and try your luck at winning some fantastic prizes. The Friday morning setup is always a bit chaotic, with vendors setting up their booths and visitors arriving early to get the best deals. But once the setup is complete, visitors can expect to find an incredible variety of RC products and accessories, making the event a must-visit for any RC enthusiast. The world's largest indoor radio control swap meet in Perry, Georgia, is a fantastic opportunity for RC enthusiasts to buy, sell, and trade radio control equipment and accessories. Grayson Hobby has been attending the event for 7 years, providing visitors with access to high-quality RC products and expert advice. They have also generously donated several items for the raffle, which visitors can win by participating. Grayson Hobby's tables are located in the Miller Building, and visitors can expect to find an incredible selection of RC products and accessories. So come and check out this exciting event and take part in the raffle for a chance to win some fantastic prizes. We hope to see you there.